Hi, welcome back to Science 1206, the Sustainability of Ecosystems unit. I'm Ms. Ledwell, and in this video we'll talk about the cycling of carbon and oxygen. Let's begin. Two main processes contribute to the cycling of carbon and oxygen. These are photosynthesis and cellular respiration. As we proceed through the video, we'll discuss these two processes in more detail. Photosynthesis is a vital process that takes place in the cells of green plants and other photosynthetic organisms, like some bacteria. The process of photosynthesis converts light energy into chemical energy that is stored in energy-rich food compounds, such as sugars. It also produces oxygen, which is essential for life on Earth. The chemical equation for photosynthesis is 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water molecules plus energy produces glucose plus 6 oxygen molecules. So we have carbon dioxide, water, and energy as our inputs, and our products are glucose and oxygen. We can see from the diagram, the plant takes in carbon dioxide gas from the air, it takes in water, which it absorbs from its roots, and it takes in sunlight, which is light energy. Through the process of photosynthesis, the plant's able to produce glucose and oxygen gas, which is released into the air. Next, let's look at cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a series of chemical reactions that takes place in the cells of most living things. It releases stored chemical energy to fuel life functions by breaking down glucose in the presence of oxygen. The chemical equation for cellular respiration is C6H12O6, which is glucose, plus 6 O2, 6 oxygen molecules, gives us 6 CO2, 6 carbon dioxide, plus 6 H2O, 6 water, plus energy. So our inputs are glucose and oxygen, and our products of cellular respiration are carbon dioxide, water, and energy. And that energy is needed to fuel life functions. Now we'll look at the cycling of oxygen and carbon. Photosynthesis and cellular respiration are complementary processes. The oxygen produced during photosynthesis may be used in cellular respiration, while the carbon dioxide produced during cellular respiration may be used in photosynthesis. Carbon stores, such as fossil fuels and certain types of rock like limestone, hold carbon and delay it from entering the cycle. Let's take a closer look at some of the processes that drive the cycling of oxygen and carbon. Factories burning fossil fuels release carbon dioxide, contributing to the carbon cycle. Vehicles burn fossil fuels, also releasing carbon dioxide, contributing to the carbon cycle. When plants and animals die and decompose, carbon is returned to the soil. Fossil fuels store carbon, and cellular respiration produces carbon dioxide gas. Photosynthesis, on the other hand, produces oxygen gas. Carbon and oxygen cycle in both terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems. Oceans, lakes, rivers, streams, and other bodies of water on Earth contain both dissolved oxygen and carbon dioxide. Carbon, in the form of calcium carbonate, is stored in the shells of many aquatic organisms, such as oysters, clams, and scallops. Carbon is also stored in certain types of rocks, such as limestone. Human activities, such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, significantly impact the carbon cycle. These activities have disrupted the natural balance, leading to a faster rate of carbon dioxide production than nature can recycle. This, in turn, is causing a steady increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. There is a notable link between atmospheric carbon dioxide levels and Earth's surface temperature changes. The graph below shows the increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels since 1960. As carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere rise, the Earth's surface temperature increases due to the enhanced greenhouse effect. As a result, the Earth is currently undergoing global warming. Now it's time to review. Complete the learning activities in Brightspace.